You ever look back and think, man, if I'd just known that earlier, things would have been so different? Yeah. This one's for that version of you, because there are lessons life teaches the hard way, but if you catch them early, they change everything. So today, I'm sharing the things I wish I'd known sooner about life, the kind of stuff school never teaches, but experience slaps you with later. We all act like we've got it together, but the truth? Most people are just figuring it out as they go. The person you admire, the one who looks confident, they doubt themselves too. So stop waiting to feel ready. No one ever really does. Start messy. Learn as you go. That's how everyone else does it. When you're young, you think being right matters. Later, you realize peace is worth more. Some battles drain your energy for no reason. Letting go doesn't mean you're weak. It means you value your peace more than your ego. Motivation feels amazing for a few hours, but consistency? That's where the magic happens. You don't get fit from one workout. You don't build confidence from one success. It's the boring, daily, invisible effort that changes you. Do the small things, even when you don't feel like it. That's real discipline. Not everyone is meant to stay forever. Some people are chapters, not the whole story. It hurts when they leave, sure. But every person teaches you something about love, trust, boundaries, or yourself. Learn the lesson, then keep moving forward. The truth is, nothing amazing ever happens in comfort. Every big opportunity hides behind fear. You don't get confidence first. You earn it by doing scary things. So take that leap, apply for that job, start that project, say what you really feel. No matter what you do, someone won't like you. You can be kind, generous, and genuine, and still be misunderstood. And that's fine. Your job isn't to please everyone, because when you stop performing for approval, you attract the right people naturally. Failure is your best teacher. You either win or you learn. There's no real losing unless you quit. The most successful people you know, they failed more times than most people even tried. So don't fear mistakes. Each one is a step forward if you pay attention. Failure builds wisdom. Wisdom builds strength. Strength builds success. I realized something simple but life-changing. Almost everything I used to stress about didn't matter. The things that mattered most were how I lived, how I treated people, and how true I was to myself. That's it. The rest, status, approval, perfection, was just noise. When you stop chasing what doesn't matter, life suddenly feels lighter, freer, more real.